Yung una, ano na pa namin, yung pagsigaw ng, yung kanta niya, ano? Black Eyed Peas? Filipino!
Ah, bebot.
Ah, kagulo yung mga,
Pinoy?
kagulo yung mga lahat.
Bakit?
Kukuha na sa kanta niya.
Shit. Nagbayad mo na kalingawan. This is the West Bay.
Hindi ka dyan.
Ano ba? Ito sir? Cornish? Pasensya ko. Hindi alam eh. Papi Mayo. Sorry. Correction from our model. He said this is the Cornish. It seems like Baywalk, no? You know Baywalk in Philippines? Baywalk. Also there in Makati, you can see Ermita also. Yeah, there's a port of Manila.
Ganyan, may sisabing may dito eh.
Oh?
Ha? Dagat.
Mark told that he can't believe that there is in
Qatar na.
Qatar, because Qatar is known for suns.
Alam mo yan, ano yan? Ayan.
What
Ayan.
Yan.
ano tawag yan sir?
Post office.
Post office?
Ano eh?
That building
Post office?
is the post office.
Platform guide.
Tour guide eh.
Here you can see the boat used by the film Pirates of the Caribbean. Now it's not complete because it was bombed in Pirates of the Caribbean. See? Apple. Yes, all of it. Tapos ano pang sasabihin sir? Naka-video si Mark eh. Ipopost natin yan sa iyo. Ito si sir namin. Yan yung tourist guide namin. Bali, siya yung tourist guide na
Bakit hindi English?
is our tour guide who used to be a visitor also before. You know?